Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to open YouTube on a Chrome browser using an Android phone. The device I'm using is a Realme XT, which should have a similar user interface to several Oppo smartphones. As you can see, when I open YouTube in the Chrome mobile browser, the system automatically launches the YouTube app. To change this, let's return to the home screen. On the home screen, find the YouTube icon and long press it until a pop-up window like this appears. Tap App Info. Scroll up until you see the Open by Default option. Tap Open Supported Links, then select Don't Allow App to Open Links. Now, let's open YouTube in the Chrome browser. As you can see, YouTube now opens in the browser instead of the app. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips in my channel.